Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable ConvertKit for subscriber emails and monetization. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Forms option on the left-hand menu and click on it. Next, click on the Create Form button. Choose the type of form you want to create, either a modal or inline form. Customize your form by adding a title and description that resonates with your target audience. You can also customize the appearance of the form to match your brand style. Once you are satisfied with the design, click on the Publish button. After publishing, you will receive an embed code. Copy this embed code for easy integration. Now navigate to your website or blog where you want to place the form. Paste the embed code into the desired location on your site. Make sure to save any changes to your website. Next, go back to your ConvertKit dashboard. Click on Automations in the left-hand menu. Create a new automation by clicking the New Automation button. Select the triggers that will kick off your automation. Select the form you just created from the drop-down list. Now determine the actions you want to take, such as sending a welcome email. Review and save your automation settings. To enable monetization, navigate to the Commerce section in your dashboard. You may need to connect a payment processor if prompted. Set up your product offerings based on your monetization strategy. Next, create a new product and fill in the necessary details. Ensure you promote your products in your email campaigns effectively. Make sure to test everything by subscribing using a test email. Check that your automations work as intended and emails are sent. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.